Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can create folders in the Gmail app on your mobile device. So sadly we don't have this option in the mobile app in the Manage Labels section, so we have to open the web browser. Now remember to switch your web browser to the desktop site and go to the gmail.com. How you can see now we have a Gmail in the desktop mode, and if you want to create a folder, just click on this little plus, name your folder, and you can also check one of this option to choose the position of your folder, and now just click create. How you can see now my folder appears here, so you can check this on the Gmail app now.